What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you once again, like I said, stopping by, hanging out, watching the video. You know, if you're new here, thank you as well. I hope you end up subscribing by the end of this video. And for those of you who are tuning in as well, please smash that like button. You already know we appreciate you so much on this channel. Every single one of you, new, old, you know. We are here to grind, guys, and you've seen the title and thumbnail. We have another Supreme unboxing. I have one item for you, a really good item that dropped in week 5, the #1 item on the list, the hottest item of the week, in my opinion. Super nice item. We're going to get to the unboxing, but before we get started, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you're always notified when I drop a video and you never miss out. Without further ado, let's get straight up into it. Woo! So here we got it, guys. I have a package from Supreme. As you can see the size of it, it's a pretty decent size package. We're going to crack it open, guys. We're going to crack it open for you guys. I'm really excited. You guys probably already seen this in the thumbnail. If I do decide to put it in the thumbnail, I probably will. But we did get some box logo stickers. I don't know what's going on with Supreme, but this year, now that they're putting these, you know, vote scan things on the back of them, look at them. They're destroyed. They're destroying the box logo stickers, which is pretty crazy. And you could actually see the black ink through the front of it, which is really terrible. They're really ruining these stickers, honestly. But anyways, I don't care. I have a shit ton of those. What you guys came here for, bam, we have the Supreme canvas backpack in a black. Supreme canvas backpack, guys. So what we are going to do here, we are going to take this out of the wrapper. We are going to see if a laptop fits in here. We're going to see, we'll check out the materials. And like I said, we're going to see if a 15-inch laptop fits in here, as well as a 16-inch, because I know a lot of you guys have 16-inch laptops. For those of you who got the smaller 15-inch laptops, I'm also going to show you if it fits. So let's get straight into this. We're going to check out the materials. We're going to check out everything about the bag. As you can see, wow, I'm already really satisfied with this bag. It feels like an army bag. I don't know if you guys ever owned like an army bag, an army canvas bag, like the material, how heavy duty and sturdy it is. This here is very heavy duty. As you can see, you got the box logo there. You got your Supreme stamp, white lettering, Supreme. So right off the back right there, we have a small little pocket. And this here, the zipper is like leather. And then we have a small pocket here. Right there, we got a small pocket, which you can fit a phone, you know, your cell phone. You could fit a wallet, whatever, keys. But yeah, I already know that the material is really good because I'm holding it in hand and it feels amazing. Right here on the back, just your normal backpack straps. Right there, you got the Supreme little red tag there, as you can see. You can, you know, adjust it, obviously. The smaller, the bigger you need it, you can adjust it. Got your straps there like any other backpack. And yeah, guys, we're going to dig into the actual inside of the bag right now. I'm going to open it up. We'll check it out. Okay. Inside is also some really nice material. It's actually pretty big. So we're going to start off with the bigger laptop, which is, I have an HP, 16-inch HP. We're going to try to fit this in here and put this bag to the test. All right, guys. So the 16-inch is not going to fit, guys. I'm sorry to tell you, but this 16-inch here, as you can see, does not fit. So for those of you who own 16-inch laptops and want to carry your laptop around in something like this, you're not going to be able to do it. So the 16-inch does not fit. Now we are going to put this 15-inch Acer to the test. And if you have a 15-inch, I believe, let's see if we can close it. We're going to try to close it. And yeah, if you do have a 15-inch, as you can see, it fits nicely in there. It fits really nice. You still have room to put other items in there. You can put some stuff here, your cords, whatever it is. But for those of you who have the 16 inches, you're not going to be able to fit a 16-inch this Supreme canvas bag. 15-inch fits, 16 doesn't. It's still a really nice bag, heavy duty. I love the materials. I love this bag a lot. It's up for sale, so if you're interested, go check out my eBay link down below, or you can email me, message me, and we can work something out. But yeah, guys, honestly, it's a really, really nice bag. I'm not joking. The material is super, super high quality. Really nice canvas bag. I love it. If I didn't need a backpack, if I did need a backpack, I probably would keep this, but honestly, no, I don't need this backpack. It retailed for $110, which was, you know, pretty expensive for a backpack, but it's a canvas backpack. It's heavy duty. It's really nice. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna throw this back in the package because it is for sale. I just wanted to show you guys really quick, a nice little unboxing for you guys. You guys deserve it. You know, we're pumping out this content for you, so I really appreciate it. I hope you like, comment, subscribe once again, and I'll see you in my next video. But I can't leave without saying, stay safe, but get money. Peace out, Mercado Nation.